Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add WhatsApp quick action button for mobile layout in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in mobile layout and we are going to add WhatsApp quick action button link on mobile device. On left side you see mobile tool, so click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see quick action bar and then you see plus add to site. Let visitor take action on your site first, so click on add to site and then you see setup quick action bar added. So we are going to add WhatsApp and we are going to delete all remaining. Now you see more action, so click on it and then you see WhatsApp, so click on it. Now you see setup, so click on it. So we are going to add phone number, so you can add your number with country code or area code. Now you see, so you can add your number and then click on done. So we are going to delete remaining, so click on it. Now remove. Now you see we are going to only show WhatsApp. Now you see settings, so click on it and then you see do you want to show label, so we select no. If you want to show label, yes. Now you see WhatsApp, so it's up to you, so we select no and then you see design, so click on it. Now you see action bar design, so you can select according to requirement, so we select this. Now you see layout, so you can select design according to requirement. Now you see position move, but we select this. If you want, you can customize design, so click on it and then you see close, open. You see multiple option for close, fill color opacity, border shadow for close and then open. When you see fill color opacity, color scheme, now you see border opacity, color width and then you see shadow. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now close and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in mobile layout and then you see WhatsApp button link. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.